Hello dear students, today we are going to start next topic of lesson 5, that is indicators. What are indicators? Indicators are special type of substances which are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic in nature, because we cannot taste all the substances to find whether they are acidic or basic in nature, because some of them may be harmful to us. So how do we find the nature of these substances? We use indicators, right? Because indicators change their color when added to a solution of acidic or basic substances. So with the help of indicator we can find whether the substance is acidic or basic in nature. So there are two types of indicators. First one is naturally occurring indicators and second one is human made indicators. Okay, turmeric, litmus, China rose petals are some naturally occurring indicators, and phenolphthalein, methyl orange are man-made or human-made indicators. Students, in this chapter we will discuss in detail about some natural. After that, our topic is some natural indicators around us. So first one is litmus. Okay, first one is litmus as indicator. So litmus is most commonly used natural indicator. Okay, it is extracted from lichens plant. It is extracted from lichens plant. Okay, see, this is lichen plant. Okay, and it has purple or mauve color in distilled water. This is also called neutral litmus solution, right? And this neutral litmus solution turns red in acidic solution. Okay, when we add some acidic solution in this neutral litmus solution, then this neutral litmus solution turns red, right? And when we add some basic solution like soap solution, shampoo, washing soda in this neutral litmus solution, then this neutral litmus solution turns blue in basic solution, right? And in neutral solution there is no change in color. In neutral solution there is no change in color, means when we add neutral solution like salt, sugar in this neutral litmus solution, then there is no change in color. So what are the neutral substances? The neutral substances are those substances which are neither acidic nor basic, right? If the solution is neutral, there is no change in color in this neutral litmus solution. Now students, this litmus is also available in the form of paper strip. This is blue litmus paper and this is red litmus paper, right? And this blue litmus paper turns red in acidic solution and red litmus paper turns blue in basic solution. Right students, so let us understand this with the help of an activity. First you take some lemon juice, right? Add some water in it. After that you make lemon juice solution. You add few drops of lemon juice solution in this blue litmus paper, right? If blue litmus paper turns red, if blue litmus paper turns red, means this solution is acidic in nature. And if we add same lemon juice solution in this red litmus paper, then red litmus paper remains red. So in acidic solution only blue litmus paper turns red and red litmus paper remains red only. That you take shampoo or you can take washing soda, baking soda or soap, you can take soap solution also, and after that you add some drops of soap solution in this red litmus paper. After adding some drops of soap solution, we will find that this red litmus paper turns blue. Means this soap solution is basic in nature. So in this way, with the help of blue litmus paper or with the help of red litmus paper, we can find whether the substances are acidic in nature or whether the substances are basic in nature. Right, students? Learn this in this way also. For example, you write AB road, okay. And in acidic solution, for example, A means acid, B means blue and R means red, okay. So this acidic solution turns blue litmus paper into red litmus paper. Once again I am repeating, acidic solution turn blue litmus paper into red litmus paper. So in this way you keep in mind AB road, okay. And in basic solution you take reverse of this, means basic solution turn red litmus paper into blue. So you can do same activity with different types of solution. For example, this is lemon juice, tap water, detergent, aerated drink, soap solutions, shampoo, common salt, vinegar, baking soda, washing soda, lime water, sugar solution. I have written here some are basic in nature, some are acidic in nature, some are basic in nature and some are neutral, right? Clear? So next one is, you can use turmeric as indicator. So next one, natural indicator is turmeric, right? First you take 1 tablespoonful of turmeric powder, right? After that you add little water. After that you add a little water to make a paste. This is turmeric paste. After that you spread the turmeric paste on the blotting paper. You can say this filter paper also, okay. Now your yellow paper is ready. After that you cut this paper into thin strips. After that you cut this paper into thin strip and you can use this as a indicators, right students? So we will find that this bases turn yellow turmeric paper into red, okay. If this yellow turmeric paper turns into red, means your solution is basic in nature. And second one is, if the solution is acid or neutral, there is no effect on turmeric paper, means yellow turmeric paper or yellow turmeric paper remains yellow if the solution is acidic or neutral. So right students, so we can explain this with the help of an activity. First you take soap solution or you can take shampoo or washing soda also. After that you add few drops of washing soda or soap solution in this turmeric paper, and you will notice that this yellow turmeric paper turns red. If yellow turmeric paper turns red, means soap solution is basic in nature. After that you take lemon juice and add few drops of lemon juice in this turmeric paper. If there is no change in turmeric paper, means the solution is either acidic or neutral, because in acids or neutral there is no effect on turmeric paper. The yellow turmeric paper strip remain yellow only if the solution is acids or neutral. So with the help of turmeric also you can check whether the solution is acidic or basic in nature. Students, you can perform this activity at home also. And with the help of turmeric paste you can make beautiful greeting card also. Students, first you make this yellow paper. After that, draw a beautiful flower with soap solution with the help of cotton bud and you will get a beautiful card. Okay students, this is all about turmeric. Next one is China rose indicator. This is third one indicator. This is third one natural indicator. First of all, you collect some China rose petals. These are some China rose petals. After that, place China rose petals in beaker and add some warm water. Keep the mixture for some time till water becomes colored. You keep this mixture for some times till the water becomes colored. After that you can use this colored water as a indicator. The color of this China rose indicator is light pink, okay, and the light pink color turns into deep pink in acidic solution. For example, when we add lemon juice and sulfuric acid or hydrochloric acid in this China rose indicator, then light pink color turns into deep pink color. So you keep in mind, students, if the solution is acidic in nature, then light pink color turns into deep pink color, or we can say this magenta color also, okay. And if the solution is basic, then this light pink color of China rose indicator turns into green. Once again I am repeating, if the solution is basic, then this light pink color of China rose petals turns into green, right? So students, with the help of China rose petals, you can perform the same activity at home with the help of different substances like lemon juice, soap solution, baking soda, washing soda, shampoo, etc. So students, this is all about indicators. I hope you understood this well. Thank you.